Hello everyone, this is CH Anusha from BCom Honors, first year studying in TSWRTC Sangareddy Budera College. So today we'll discuss about financial management and nature of financial management. So what is financial? The activities which includes funds or money is called financial. What is management? The activities which include planning, organizing, directing and controlling is called management. So financial management can be defined as the process of acquiring and utilizing funds of a business. Coming up to the nature of financial management, so the nature of financial management refers to a part of business activities. Then it is concerned about its functions, objectives, scope and goals. The main characteristics of the financial management are explained as below. So the first one is specialized branch of general management. So financial management is a specialized branch of general management, like production, marketing, human resources, etc. Second one, integral part of management. Financial management is an integral part of overall management. It occupies central position in the organization. Third one, both an art as well as an science. So financial management is not a pure art nor a pure science. It is both an art as well as an science. It is well defined with its principles, various methods and techniques like capital budgeting, statistical and mathematical, modern and computer application. It requires certain skills for decision marketing. Fourth one, growing as a profession. Financial management has emerged as a separate discipline of study and is fast growing as a profession. It provides an effective utilization of financial resources for long term as well as short term financial needs of a firm. Fifth one, multidisciplinary approach. Financial management is also an multidisciplinary approach. It depends upon other disciplines like economic, accounting, etc. Sixth one, involves risk return trade off. Financial management is concerned with investments, financing, and dividend decisions of a firm. An effective financial decisions has to be taken in relation to its shareholders' wealth. Seventh one, focus on valuation of the firm. The focus of financial management is towards maximizing the value of the firm. It includes other financial claim holders such as a debenture holders, preferred stockholders, etc. Eighth one, organic functions. Financial management is an organic function that is needed by all organizations, whether business or non-business, big or small, sole proprietary or corporate form of organization. Ninth one, attainment of common objectives of a firm. Financial management helps in the attainment of common objectives of an enterprise by maximizing the profit and wealth of its stakeholders. Tenth one, backbone of commerce and industry. Financial management is not only an essential function for survival, growth, and expansion of a firm, it is also a backbone of commerce and industry of a nation. Thank you.